Hi, I'm Larry with Renaud Electric, and today we're going to be talking about some generator items, some things that you want to do while your generator's running, some things that you want to be able to do to shut your generator off, and checking the oil while it's under operation and being able to shut your generator off while it's under load. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to open the generator. It should be locked, and you should have a key to open the generator. Just turn the latch and open the lid. If the generator is running and powering your house when you're going to check the oil, it's very important that the first thing you do is disconnect the power, because you don't want to shut the generator off while it's under load. You do so by turning off the circuit breaker. Once you've turned off the circuit breaker, all you have to do is hit the off button and the generator will shut off. Now you can check the oil. To check the oil, simply lift off the front panel, set it aside, and the dipstick is built right into the case of the engine. Twist it a few times, pull it out, and check the oil. As long as your oil level is within the range, you can put it back in, set your front cover back into place, close the lid, and latch it. It's very important that you put all of the covers back on and latch the lid so that the airflow flows through the generator properly, or it won't cool the engine. One of the reasons that we change the oil frequently, you should change it at least once a year, and we check the oil while it's operating, is that in an air-cooled generator, the oil forms two functions. One function is to lubricate the engine like any other engine, but unlike your car, the oil is also used in a generator to cool your engine. So it's twice as important that you have good oil, that you change it regularly, and that after 24 to 48 hours of continuous operation, you shut the generator off and check your oil.